The U.S. Federal Reserve on Wednesday enacted the third consecutive three-quarter-point rate hike, as it continues to ramp up its fight against surging inflation. The Federal Open Market Committee, the Fed's policy-setting body, decided to raise the target range for the federal funds rate to 3 to 3.25%. The Fed's latest action came after it raised the benchmark interest rate by 3/4 of a point at both its June and July meetings, marking the boldest move in decades. Scholars have warned of the negative effects of the rate hikes on the global economy, worrying about a possible global recession triggered by the U.S. approach to inflation.
Will there be negative effects in the global economy by these rising interest rates? Absolutely, of course. This is one of those difficult circumstances where the centrality of the dollar really imposes upon other policymakers, other economies, many difficult choices.
Amerika'da faizler çok daha yüksek olacak. Amerika'da faizlerin çok daha yüksek olması küresel çapta dolara olan talebi arttıracak. Dolara olan talebin artması da gelişen ülkelerin işine yaramayacak ve Türkiye gibi finansal tamponları gevşek olan ülkelerin paraları bundan çok daha net bir şekilde etkilenecek.
Dünyada da tabii bu Amerikan hegemonyasına karşı, doların hegemonyasına karşı daha doğrusu bir hassasiyet, bir duyarlılık ve tepki var.